Hey guys, so right now, I I'm having a situation. Actually, I'm not. I shouldn't be explaining that. But I recently just got my membership renewed, and AJ has not given me. Oh, look. Wait, what's up? Anyways, AJ has not given me the Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I know that. Okay, guys, do you know the art bundle I was complaining about last time? Here it is. Okay. I renewed my membership. They say, they specifically said, anyone, member or not, who purchases any membership from during the month of July, and I did not get my artist dream bundle. I'm really, really upset. Like, I have to still contact them about that. But, um, otherwise, I got 65 diamonds, and we're gonna go spend them today after we read the news. Wild Weekend Summer Freeze. Oh, it's all about ice pops after all. There's nothing better than watching frozen summer sunset, sharing a frozen treat with your best friends after a long day of fun. Be sure to check out the ice pop den items. Okay, so they're den items. So they should be in the store, right? Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, they released. I didn't see those. Uh, okay, where is that exactly? Um, armor there, oh, is it in the diamond shop? Okay, yeah, I think it's in the diamond shop. Okay. Enchanted eagles. Oh, wow. Jay, are soaring into the sky's beautiful birds pattern. Okay, it's cool. Pet doodoo dodos. Okay, I've heard of these. I used to collect webkins, and I had one of these birds. So to be extinct, but now they're ready to be adopted. Okay. Um, I I mean, I think like, can we just have pet beagles in the game? Just pet beagles or basset hounds, like little puppy basset hounds, like OMG, like just domestic pets. That'd be so cool. Beach house, yay! Okay, this maid is not dead. Okay, private beach. Okay. Take the concern. Another exhibit. Okay, cool. Spirit armor set. Summer getting hotter now. Check out the super cool. Said that in Jamba shops. Okay, tons will be coming soon. Okay. Oh, I'll lace it up. Pick your side. Okay, guys, tell me in the comments which team you're on, because I'm Team Sabretooth. I don't think a lot of people are Team Sabretooth though. Like, I don't know. Because I think wolves are just such more popular thing, but I love cats. People are gonna hate me now. Watch everyone in the comments. You like cats. Ew. Not subscribing to you anymore. I've had a friend, I'm like, oh yeah, I love cats. She's like, we're not friends anymore. I swear I was gonna cry. Like, what? But yeah, that was pretty insane. Why do I have 3 of these? I only need like 1. Oh, that was because I was becoming, okay. But yeah, I don't need that. Okay. Need to delete some stuff so I can buy some stuff. Yep, okay. So I need to look into this shop. Summer items, okay. I really want that, but not really. Okay, infinity glasses. Okay, well. Yeah. What else is in the news? Okay, that's it. And yeah, I'm Team Sabretooth all the way. I forgot what I was gonna do today. But I was gonna go to the diamond shop to purchase some stuff. Trade me stone store, thanks. Okay, NP, okay. Okay, I don't even have it. Oh my god. It's late. Okay, I don't even have a direwolf. I have these. I don't think do I have a cheetah yet? Wait, yeah, I think I have a cheetah. I have these. I do not have these two. I do not have a kangaroo. I think like every member has an Arctic wolf. Please show me Arctic wolf mannequin. What do you have? Okay. Okay. Don't be too late. Don't be too late. Where's the Arctic wolf mannequin? Where is it? Okay. I forgot it. Okay, bye. Yep. Okay. Wait. I want this. Hurry. No! No! Wait, where is she? I forgot who it was. No! I just bought an Arctic. I just wasted my diamonds for this. Wait. Wait. I'm really sad. I'm gonna cry. Okay, well, that was a waste of time. Pretty upset now. I'm gonna get a pet dodo bird. I want a blue one. You know what? Oh look, it looks like Rio. Wait, it's the. Who is this? Oh, ooh, the Rio's girlfriend. No wait, that's not Blue's girlfriend. From the movie Rio. I forgot her name, but we all know. And that would be Blue. Blue. Okay, you're the girl though. And here, I like that one. It's cute. Ooh, wow, so artsy. Okay, I like that one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. OMG, that is OMG. Yes, I need to get that. Okay. Dew lime. Sounds pretty authentic. Okay, so yay. Mischievous cards. What's a chutney? Hold on. I don't know what that is. Chutney. What is? Okay. Chutney. What is? What is chutney? Chutney is a sauce or dry base for a sauce in a cuisine in Indian subcontinent that can include such forms as tomato relish, a ground peanut garnish, or da, cucumber and mint chip. Okay. She has very exquisite taste. Okay, I have an armadillo. I don't have a pet gecko yet. Okay. The spirit. Okay, yeah, that sounded really familiar. Okay, so I don't know what the little ice cream things are. Oh, I found it. 2 days left. Okay, it looks like they're very exclusive, but I don't really think I want these. You mean giant moose antlers? I love antlers. Okay. Oh no, okay. Oh, okay, these ones are so cute. A lamp. Oh, but they still. What? What? Weren't these like extinct? What's going on here? Okay, well that's that. What is this? Pet surf shop. Hailstorm. Oh god. Does not sound pleasant. And rain. Okay, River Race. Oh, I love, love, love claws. But oh my god, they have a flamingo claw? What is this? OMG, they made a Clydesdale horse? What? Polar bear? Okay, I know about the polar bear. OMG, I want like old claws. If you guys ever have spare claws that you don't need, please give them to me. I'm just kidding. But like, I wish. Like, I'll trade you guys. Because I don't really want to buy them with my diamonds, because I know a lot of people will trade them. Right, dens. Should I get this? Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's cool. Pexton is like too big to the point where like I'm gonna like not want it. So trade me doing it. Oh, necklace challenge. Oh, I'm in the way. Okay. I mean, do they have? Okay, never mind. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my nonsense. Bye.